I'll show you how you can change your iPhone name. So currently I'm using iPhone 14 Pro. So UI maybe a little bit change according to iPhone software version. So let's start. So if you want to change your iPhone name, then you should go settings. Then there are many options here in showing general, here in about. Alright. So if you click about, then here you can change your iPhone name and about again, and my current software version, this one 18.0.1, and this is my name. If you want to change, then you can write here and remove like that. And this is the easy, and let me know if you have any query, then I'll try to help as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.